Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do glass painting on a bottle. Take the print of the design you want to draw on the bottle or directly draw it on the bottle. Cut the excess part of the paper and insert it into the bottle. Start drawing on the design using the black outliner. The design I used will be available in my blog. The link is in the description box below. Just save the image and print it out. All the details of the materials I have used are in the description box below. Let it dry for an hour and fill the design with the appropriate colors. Let it dry for a day and your glass painted bottle is ready.